See, this is an absolute disaster. There is gravel, crushed up pieces of stone that the city uses here for grit to prevent people from slipping on the roads. And then the sidewalk plow, in combination with the folks who clear our driveway in the wintertime, have dumped all of this onto our lawn. You can see all this, but little stones all over my lawn. And if I leave this, it is going to destroy this section of my lawn. So as they say, desperate times call for desperate measures. So if something like this has happened to you, don't fret. All is not lost. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to remove those stones, my leaf blowers. Then I'm going to go back with my vacuum. I'm going to vacuum over that area to see if I can't pick up any weed seeds that may have been spread on my lawn in that mess that was dumped on the property. As I said, desperate times call for desperate measures. I have to vacuum my lawn. So now I'm going to put down some grass seed to fill in that mess. There's quite a lot of sand that was left over, and I want to make sure that my grass is going to come up. I use regenerating perennial ryegrass by Barenbrug. You can see one of my other videos where I've used RPR and find out more information on RPR in that video. But I'll put this down within about 5 days or so. It'll be up. About 5 days after that, I'll need to cut it. About another 5 days after that, maybe 10, I'll cut it again. And at that point forward, it'll be established. So now you can see this is all seeded. Put some peat moss down over top of that, fertilize it of course, but it is a ton better than it was. Obviously, I can't leave the mess that I've created on the road like that, so I'm gonna have to go back and clean that up. And with that, this video is complete. I'll see you on my next video. Make sure to subscribe to this channel. You can like and share this video.